The Call of Africa. After 2 years traveling through South America and 6 years through Africa, we are heading north again on an epic 15,000 kilometer or more expedition, spanning 7 months and 5 countries in Southern Africa. We will take you with us as we seek out the best wild camping in more than 10 of the most remote wilderness areas that can be found. We will share with you the countless adventures, the challenges and the trouble as we travel some of the most interesting roads in Africa. We will share the wet and the wildlife with you, the magnificent sunsets that Africa gives you, the feathered friends and the amazing animals. From the cute to the cat to the very big and tall. See all our adventures first on Patreon. Go to patreon.com/fearless on 4 wheels as we take you into the wild.